Have you ever dreamed of stepping out onto your porch on a crisp autumn morning, a warm cup of tea in hand, and seeing your space glowing with golden pumpkins, lanterns, and cozy fall touches without spending a fortune? Back in the day, decorating for the seasons was about joy, not price tags. And I believe we can bring that joy back today. I'm going to show you how to create 20 simple and beautiful Dollar Tree fall crafts that look expensive but cost only $1 or $2. These are projects anyone can do, no matter your age, energy level, or gardening experience. And let me tell you, idea number 10 is one your neighbors will not believe came from Dollar Tree. You'll want to stay with me until then, because that one is the real showstopper. Hello my friends, and welcome back to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I truly appreciate you being here. Today, we're going to take your porch or patio from plain to magical with 20 affordable senior-friendly fall decor ideas. These projects are easy on the hands, easy on the wallet, and full of charm. So grab yourself a cozy drink, sit back, and let's get started. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps YouTube share this channel with other senior gardeners and crafters, whether they're in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, or anywhere around the world, who could use a little inspiration this season. Craft number 1, mason jar lanterns with solar lights. You've probably seen those little solar lights at Dollar Tree, right? Instead of just popping them in the ground, drop one inside a mason jar, wrap a bit of twine around the top, and tuck in a few faux leaves. Place a couple on your porch steps, and suddenly you've got a warm autumn glow that looks like something straight out of a designer magazine. Here's a tip: group them in threes. It makes them look more expensive instantly. Now, let's bring some flowers into the mix. Craft number 2, pumpkin centerpiece with faux flowers. Take one of those Dollar Tree foam pumpkins, carefully hollow it out, and fill it with fall flowers. Think mums, marigolds, or sunflowers. Place it on a side table or even right by your front door. It adds color, texture, and that instant fall welcome. And if you want it to look extra lush, mix in a few sprigs of greenery. It makes the arrangement feel full and natural. Now, let's give your porch a little rustic charm. Craft 3, candle holder with cinnamon sticks. This one is simple, fragrant, and oh so homey. We're going to make a candle holder wrapped in cinnamon sticks. Take a plain glass votive holder from Dollar Tree and grab a bundle of cinnamon sticks. Using a hot glue gun or even just some strong twine, wrap those cinnamon sticks around the outside of the glass. Drop in a small LED candle, and just like that, you've got a little piece of autumn for your porch. And here's the best part: when the sun warms those cinnamon sticks, they'll give off the faintest cozy scent, almost like stepping into Grandma's kitchen in the fall. Craft 4, leaf garland for porch railings. Now, let's dress up those porch railings with a Dollar Tree leaf garland. They sell long strings of faux leaves in those brilliant reds, oranges, and yellows we love this time of year. Just drape them along your porch railing, over your doorway, or around a window. For an extra touch of magic, weave in a strand of fairy lights, also from Dollar Tree. At night, the leaves will softly glow, creating that welcoming autumn sparkle. And the best part? No raking required. Craft 5, wood crate side table decor. Dollar Tree often has those little wooden crates, stacked 2 or 3 on top of each other to make a charming side table or display stand. Then top it with a lantern, a pumpkin, or even one of those flower arrangements we just made. Suddenly, you've created height and layers on your porch without spending a dime more than a couple of dollars. Here's a bonus tip: if you paint or stain the crates in a warm fall color, like chestnut or burnt orange, it'll look like something straight out of a home decor catalog. Craft 6, Dollar Tree wreath with burlap and berries. This one is always a favorite because nothing says fall like a wreath. Pick up a wreath frame from Dollar Tree, wrap it in a bit of burlap ribbon, and hot glue some faux berries or mini pumpkins around the edge. Hang it on your front door, and right away your entryway feels warm and inviting. And don't worry, this project is lightweight, easy on the hands, and doesn't take more than half an hour. I like to remind folks, wreath making isn't about perfection, it's about personality. If it's a little crooked, it just adds to the charm. Craft 7, painted tin can planters. Don't toss those cans just yet, let's turn them into pretty fall planters. First, rinse and dry a few empty cans. If you have a church key or a sturdy nail, gently make 2 small drainage holes in the bottom. No heavy tools needed, just take your time. Now for the transformation, use a wipe-on metallic craft paint, think bronze, copper, or antique gold, to give the cans that high-end shimmer. You can also brush on chalk paint in pumpkin orange or deep maroon for a farmhouse look. Once dry, slip in small pots of mums or violas so you can lift them out easily for watering. If gripping is tricky, wear lightweight gardening gloves for better hold. Craft 8, Scarecrow Porch Pal. Let's bring a friendly face to your fall porch. Pick up a small Dollar Tree scarecrow and a plaid scarf or a Dollar Tree fabric square. Gently fluff the scarecrow's hat and straw hands. Tie the plaid scarf loosely around its neck. The soft fabric instantly makes it look pricier and more cheerful. Set it beside a pumpkin cluster or tuck it into a planter for support. If breezes visit your porch, add a tiny dot of removable adhesive on the back to keep it standing tall. Craft 9, Stacked Pumpkin Tower. Take 3 foam pumpkins from Dollar Tree, different sizes if you can find them, and hot glue them one on top of the other. Add a bow or some faux leaves around the base, and you've got a stunning fall tower that looks like something you'd buy at a pricey craft store. Quick tip, always go with odd numbers. 3 or 5 stacked items always look more natural to the eye. And now for the one I promised you earlier, Craft 10 Fall Lantern Centerpiece. This is the showstopper, friends. Start with a lantern from Dollar Tree. Yes, they carry them. Fill it with faux leaves, pine cones, maybe a few acorns, and drop in a battery-powered candle. The glow is gorgeous, and when people see it, they'll swear you bought it at a fancy home decor shop. This one always gets compliments, and it's one of my personal favorites. Craft 11, Rustic Wooden Welcome Sign. Pick up a simple board or a Dollar Tree faux wood panel, and glue on Dollar Tree wooden letters to spell Welcome Fall. Brush a little diluted brown paint over the surface for a soft, weathered look, then lightly dab the edges with a touch of bronze for a subtle glow. Hang it near your door or prop it beside a planter. It feels like those country porch signs we used to admire on Sunday drives, simple, heartfelt, and so inviting. Gentle tip, if your hands get tired, lay the board flat and do the gluing in short sessions. There's no rush. Crafting is meant to be enjoyed. Craft 12 Hanging Basket Makeover. If your summer baskets are fading, give them a fresh fall life. Take out the tired blooms and tuck in faux autumn stems. Think deep red mums, golden leaves, and a pop of berry picks. Tie a plaid ribbon to the handle and fluff the bow. In 5 minutes, your porch looks refreshed and ready for hot cocoa weather. Bonus: match your ribbon to your doormat or cushions for that pulled-together designer on a dime look. Craft 13 Faux Leaf Candle Rings. We'll make a cozy glow in minutes. We take a short strip of jute twine and thread a few Dollar Tree faux leaves onto it, then tie the ends to form a small ring. We slip that ring around a battery candle or a glass votive, and just like that, we've dressed up our table trays and side tables for fall. If we want a fuller look, we tuck in a tiny sprig of berries or a small bow. Simple, pretty, and easy on the hand. Craft 14 Mini Hay Bale Centerpiece. We pick up 2 or 3 mini hay bales, place them side by side on a tray, and nestle in a couple of mini pumpkins, a few pine cones, and a ribbon in plaid or burlap. We add one small sign, "Hello Fall" or "Gather," and we're done. It's lightweight, it's portable, and it looks like a charming farm stand display right on our porch. Craft 15 Painted Rock Pumpkins. This one is a joy because it's inexpensive and a little playful. Pick up some smooth stones from Dollar Tree or even gather a few from your yard. With some orange outdoor paint, you can turn them into little pumpkins in no time. Add green swirls for stems or even funny little faces if you want. They look charming tucked into flower pots, around your steps, or even lining a walkway. Best of all, they don't rot, and they're nice and light for decorating. And here's a bonus tip: if you seal them with a clear spray, they'll last season after season. Craft number 16 Autumn Doormat Upgrade. Don't spend big money on fancy fall mats. Grab a plain doormat from Dollar Tree and use stencils to paint on fall leaves, acorns, or even the word welcome. Use outdoor paint so it holds up, and you'll have a personalized mat that feels custom made. If you'd like it to last even longer, give it a quick spray of sealer when it's dry. Imagine your guests stepping up to your porch and being greeted with a cheerful fall message. It's a small touch that makes your home feel extra inviting. Craft 17 Twinkle Light Mason Jar Pathway. Here's a simple idea that feels downright magical. Take some mason jars, drop in a short string of battery-powered fairy lights, and line them along your walkway or porch steps. When the sun goes down, your path will sparkle with a soft, welcoming glow. And don't worry, these jars are light, easy to move, and safe because they use battery lights, not flames. If you've ever wished for that warm storybooks feeling in your yard, this is it. Craft 18. Plaid fabric pillow covers. This one is both cozy and clever. Dollar Tree scarves make perfect slipcovers for porch pillows. Just wrap them around, tie them at the back, or stitch the edges if you like, and suddenly you've got fall-themed pillows without spending more than $1 or $2. Plaid is classic, warm, and instantly says autumn. Place them on your porch swing or rocking chair, and you've created a snug little corner that invites you to sit down with a cup of cocoa. Craft 19. Faux acorn wreath add-ons. You can take a small Dollar Tree wreath or even one of their plain grapevine circles and hot glue faux acorns, berries, or mini pine cones all the way around. It makes a perfect little accent piece. Hang it on a side wall, your gate, or even use it as a centerpiece on a patio table. It's rustic, it's charming, and it ties in beautifully with all the other projects we've done. Craft number 20, Porch Swing Throw Blanket Hack. This one is so simple, but it makes a world of difference. Pick up one of Dollar Tree's fleece blankets, fold it neatly, and tie it with a ribbon or a piece of twine. Lay it across your porch swing, rocking chair, or patio bench. It looks like a cozy designer throw, and it's perfect for wrapping around your shoulders on a cool fall evening. Little touches like this make your porch not just beautiful but inviting. So there we have it, my friends. 20 easy Dollar Tree fall crafts that make your porch and patio look like they came straight out of a high-end decor magazine. We made everything from glowing lanterns and pumpkin towers to rustic signs, hay bale centerpieces, and even those cozy plaid pillows. Remember, you don't need to try all 20. Even if you pick just one or two projects, your space will feel more welcoming, more joyful, and full of that autumn spirit. And the best part is, you did it yourself on a budget. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Was it the stacked pumpkin tower, the fall lantern centerpiece, or maybe the plaid pillow covers? Drop me a comment below and let me know, and if you try any of these crafts, please share your experience. I truly love hearing your stories. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Every little bit helps YouTube recommend this channel to more senior gardeners and crafters all around the world, in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, or wherever you may be. Together, we're building a beautiful community that celebrates creativity in our golden years.